Hello, welcome. Today I'm breaking down my income from my YouTube channel, my blog, my courses, all of the money that I make online. And we're going to give you the numbers on income, expenses, analytics, all behind the scenes. I also have a blog post on this as well that will be linked down below in the description, so check it out. Jumping right in, we have our sources here on the left, the budget. This is what I wish to bring in. This is my goals. My goal is to bring in $10,000 a month right now. And then this column here, column D, is the actual. So this is actually what I'm bringing in, and then over under my goal and the percentage of income. So first off is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is typically my highest revenue stream. Sometimes it's neck and neck with YouTube ad revenue, but as you can see, it was quite a bit higher this month, coming in at $1,492.65 for affiliate marketing, and that is me referring products that I love, use, recommend, and I get a percentage kickback or a flat rate kickback depending on the product. Next up is digital products. These are products that are on my website, and I have them both on my website and I also have them on my Etsy shop as well. So I have printables, I have spreadsheets, all different types of products on both sites, and they both get their own traffic. They both get different SEO. And so that's why I host the same exact products on both. If you want to have digital products, you can also host them on Shopify as well. I'll have a link to Shopify in the description, or a link for Etsy and you get 43 listings there. YouTube ad revenue, $902.79. So let's look at the analytics really quick. So this is my main channel. This one I have 51,000 subscribers. Here are analytics for February. So for February, I got 50,000 views, 4.7 hours of watch time, 255 subscribers, and I made a total of $786.07. Now, this is a month or so behind. Let's look at revenue. Yeah, so the way that YouTube pays out, they pay a month behind. So the $902.79, that lines up with what I actually got paid, what got deposited into my account. I don't count any income or anything like that until I receive payment from it. So sometimes, especially with affiliate marketing, someone signs up and I don't get paid 30, 60 days later. So that is the analytics there. Let's look at revenue a little bit more because I know that you guys love the revenue. Top earning content, 50 easy frugal living tips, $80. 50 easy frugal living tips. This one did so well, I did another one. This one made $65 for the month. Well, I don't follow Dave Ramsey anymore at $38. 12 easy saving challenges, $34, and CIT bank review for $24.05. Playback CPM was $27.19. They changed the format of the analytics, and you no longer can see RPM, which is really frustrating. I liked being able to see both CPM and RPM. I used to be able to see all three up here, so I don't like this new update, YouTube. Let's go back to the old way. Pay and funding, $14, and then you can see the different ad types there as well. Okay, let's move over to my other channel, Start Your Online Business. This is my second channel, so this is Start Your Online Business with Kelly Ann Smith. This one has 1,230 subscribers, and let's look at analytics for the month. So let's look at February. Views was 6.6 thousand views, 244 hours of watch time, and 81 new subscribers. Now, as you guys know, this channel is not monetized yet. I can't have ads on it. So in order to get ads, you need 1,000 subscribers. So I have that. We need 4,000 hours of watch time within the last 365 days. So I am not there. Here it says I'm halfway there at 2,000 hours, but for the last 365 days, but we cannot go by this, unfortunately, because this includes the views for shorts. And my top video, I will show you guys, my top video, which has 15,000 views, is actually a short, and from this video alone, I've gotten, it doesn't have watch time. They've changed so much just in the past day. Oh, here it is. Watch time hours, 163 hours. So that does not count, and then any other shorts, these all don't count for watch time either, which sucks. So we have to go to the Earn tab. So this is going to show where we're at. So we have reached number 1, and then we're at 1,700 hours for watch time. I'm not even trying to get the shorts one because you need 10 million within 90 days. That's just not happening for my channel. So 1,756 hours. So I still have a ways to go to get to 4,000. So help me out, watch some videos, watch some playlists. I really appreciate it. Next is blog ad revenue. I made $60.07. So that is on my blog and the different articles that I post, all of that. Let's look at Ezoic. So this is my ad manager, Ezoic, and this is for the last 30 days. So 4,214 views and paid out $42. And you can see this is about what I make each day. I do have Ezoic Premium, so they do pay a couple pennies more each day, but I don't know if it's really worth it, to be honest with you. But that is Ezoic. Next is Instagram Reels, was $68.85. They have really cut down their payment. I used to make a minimum of $100, and now I'm in the $50, $60 range each month, which stinks, but it is what it is. So that's getting paid for Instagram Reels. Next is courses. So courses, I'm actually pretty close to my goal for this one. I'm going to have to up my goal. I made $955 on my courses. I have 2 courses. I have one on how to save money on groceries, and this just helps break down some saving tips. This is $19 on sale right now. Typically it's $67. So that is my grocery course. Then I also have an entrepreneurship course called Dreamer to Profitable. And this is my signature course that helps you start an online business. So starting a YouTube channel, starting a blog, a podcast, becoming a virtual assistant. That is my second course, Dreamer to Profitable. Next is Patreon. At Patreon, $32.36. Coaching, $78.24. Freelance and sponsorship, nothing came through. I am going to be receiving a payment very beginning of March for freelance. That probably should have been paid out in February, but that's fine. For a total of $3,741.08 for revenue. So as you can see, we are working towards 10K, but we got to get there a little faster. Expenses. So this is all for education and development. I got some books. I bought, this was mentorship with BetterHelp, and then AI which is a course that I bought, for a total of $710.30. Next is marketing. I did a book giveaway, and that was $15.58. Expenses, postage, $37.75. I sent out cards to my Dreamer to Profitable students and gave them a sticker and a little handwritten card. So I had to buy postage for that, and there were some international students as well, which is so fun. So $37.75. Travel, nothing this month. I will be traveling in March though, and in May. So that'll have some expenses there. Clothing expenses, nothing. Dues and subscriptions, this is just a whole bunch of Google services, Ezoic Premium, Google services, AT&T, which is my internet, Thrivecart. I'm moving over and leaving Teachable and moving over to Thrivecart. I spelled that wrong. Forgot the H. Thrivecart for $690. It's a one-time payment. I am so much happier with Thrivecart than Teachable. Wish I did it a lot sooner. So $690, one-time payment there. Apple, Adobe, Cloudflare. This is for my blog. Canva Pro. This is Canva Pro and Flowdesk I pay for annually, and so both of those payments hit this month. So total for dues and subscriptions was $1,371.07. No food this month. We will have some in March with our travel. Okay, let's look at total of all expenses was $2,134.70 in expenses. Total revenue received was $3,741.08. Then owner's pay, so this is what gets transferred to my personal bank account, what helps feed my family and supports the family, was $2,618.76. Now, I have a goal to be spending 30% back to my business. So I want to be reinvesting in my business. Now that is dues and subscriptions, but also labor, hiring out, education, all of that. It's really important to be investing back into my business. So with that being said, total operating expenses, if I were to spend 30% of what I made, it would be $1,122.32. But as you can see, this month I actually went over budget but that's okay because previous months I've gone over budget and it kind of just all evens out throughout the year. But this is just a great reminder for me. Okay, total hours worked. This month I worked a total of 51 hours, 51.25 hours. So let's look at Toggle. This is what I use to track my time. And you can see last month, this is February. So I actually cut down my hours a lot. This was really good. I'm proud of this. And so you can see 51 hours, 11 minutes. So 51.25. And you can see all the different percentages, all the time entries here, which is crazy. And you can see what I'm spending the most of my time. So webinar, I spent 8 hours. What's another high one? Editing, 9 hours. This was the highest, was editing. 6 hours on courses, 4 hours on my blog. Affiliate marketing, only 5 extra minutes. So that is Toggle. And that gives me an hourly rate of $73. So let's look at my total income. So this is income for the year so far. So you can see comparison. Last month I did make more at $4,200, but I also worked a lot more. I worked 91 hours. So I worked a lot less this month and my hourly rate increased, which is great. So let's see, for the total so far for the year is $7,941.73. Check out the description. I'll have lots of resources down there, and check out these videos here. They will definitely help you grow your business.